headmasters say omo share akura bi na ya jisika obi batom sika say omo share no wankwankwato abama MPP no ma nya akura no ama ono anchusu party awope na ya gine card na ya mena kwankwato aba na bachi wa kuomo
the former president John Dramani Mahama minyi nisa obetimi atum krofofo se nkofo nkobodua because ono akasa no we are Assemblies of God member.
Me dey the Isaac Odwampo obetumi afem the great ampo mbrembrem wonu me nka mo ni ehwe too much G8 mo ye too much na me so me ye amo fire.
Ebusiafo me ma obibia akwa abaleba too much G8 elede munia ba musofo mercy cow ena machichire ensem a circulate wo oman mu ababesom wetefo we de eyawe wosem saye awonwasem election year we de nyoma sisi ankasa na ye kase ne asa be piem kra se in Brafo region NDC supporters na Woma kojina eye insu a chese omo bodin se river subing na womo dumi eye MPP for na etiefo eye nsemu anomo kanu na chese omo kasafa eye timemfo no ene EC electoral commission for emu teacher chese wo bibiara election yi be wadrin se wo wie mu e de ama eye MPP eye MPP eye party no na wa ye ready say any after eye election na wo bewu na eduaboyi wo be hwemu asenia ye invite ye invoke demons and kasaba be din ni wo mind na native for in same video wom ye nkwahwe emfabra
municipal district baby biara returning officer biara wo betra abatoa ho ye to aba wie na say returning officer wati ho say MPP for hunahuna ye puri agent for mo so be free ballot box no ho a number bi o matu biara no wo mun kan sa number no so o muti bi gumu afra ana o mu yi bi free mu a tachima boturuwa enku omo yo nana atuanya ma munya mo maje san mo apia fo nana a police fo ne soldier fo se omo bu obi ne atiti obi ye hunahuna obi ye ma obi amfa nfa hudi amfa to na ba ne hunahuna no no free abato no nana boturuwa munku omo yo nana no apapa munya san bi no apia nana madawruma yesrama nyumne ye ni abre yesrama head teachers headmasters say omo sha akura bi na ya jisika obi batom sika say omo sha no wankwankwato abama MPP no ma nya akura no ama no anchusu party awope na ya gine card na ya mena kwankwato aba na bachu wa kuomo na so obi mfiri kuomo ha aya Ghana babia obi mfiri kuomo ha na ya first quarter ade sha no na ya mani kwa jino so school ni kwa kwato aba no mfiri kuomo no nya school ni na ya sha discount school ata so kwato aba na bachu wa kuno yo na wadawruma yesremo ya baby biara ya to aba ye puri agent fo a omo betena ballot box no ho se omo je sika biara adamudie biara se wo mo je na omo boa ya nua na MPP fo mo matete aba na agum ya je kapra biara na bachu wa ko omo yo nipa obekọ strong room nation center baby biara wo moko ne ekọ jisika na ye ya adwene se ye ma ye bu ya disi kwase a na ba no enya justice ya na kuomu yo na ba shuwa wadawruma ye dim se wo ba ye na obi biara mpani fire bo omuduan obi biara obefiri yachi no baka so ba dane se wa hunu ye na so wadane a enye ye mu nsom oya bosomfo oya konfo na so baka se obetima dane abra ohunu ye a nananom mu nsom ye de padu ase atoso yo na wadawruma obi biara obeba se wadane dua no na ye ni ho a mo ma dua no entimu enane ye di password atoso ya di abusua obi a obedi saabo no bedi sika damudie na obame ye di NDC bone obewi abanum no na madawruma munku omu nyina hye omu nyina ase mfama yo ya judi na betuma ya wadawruma ye di say ya frawi wonu bia na odi memsem se bochuruwa aha wo ya busum kase a oboy ho ban Ewo buna hafu ha ekosi nkran ni ba bia ntina ya ba yesu kese a ya fra no nana subi ya ba jere ni mu a ya egu nsan nana ya dim so betima ya se wantima anya na wonya bo chewa ya dim so betima ya nti ani ya ba be jere ha ya fra na obudi sa abone no a nana ya di obobusuafo e na eda ase wo uyiri a ana wo kunu a ana wo nua ya di omo da ase uyiri ya uyiri na dudi ya dim so betima ya Oya na mo mpo da hubida asante hubida yedi no asante fo yedi mo se ana bibi besi ya tu aba wi na MPP fo o mo pam MPP NDC obo mbeja ballot box no ho a nananom ni se o mo pam o mo ana o mo hye o mo bufo na free ballot box no kura ho a dia ya ka no nananom dia o ma to a o mo nya no o mo kan ni sa pepepe wa o be kwa to aba mienu wo de friendship ubatu aba milenu biara na na bochu wa kuno akwanya ma akwanya wo wo se watu aba ba ko obi a tu aba ba ko na se watu aba milenu na je se wa bo Ghana kro no justice anya adwuma nti yesre se obi ada ntu aba ba ko na nipa biara executive NDC executive from national ebesi region district municipalities ba biara executive oba jisika so mebo NDC MPP fo mo adibone dia na na bochwa ko mu nyina ya ma betima ya adam se betima ya ti ani ya baba betima ha ya fama numero na beba ji wanyina ja enu bi wia ena o ye me masam na na bochwa ni papa ni biara a wa ya MPP ya bokosua a wa ya nsuka sia yi ho subi na subi ho wa wo be kwa kwaje wo mu ade nana wadawruma munku omo nana bachwa ku omo nana nipa bi obekwa kwaji bu amu ade kunu obeje sika kunu na wabedi NDC fu anya no kunu na munku no so NDC ni o electoral commission bi na kwaji sika kwaji sika kunu bia no bua MPP fu na o majesty anya adwuma nana bachwa kunu na edi busuafo dasi nana bachwa atwanya ma apapa subi wadawruma ya mframa ni mrekwa ani bra na ni bra no ye nsuo matwa ho ahia abusuma duasa a o matwa wanchi ho ahia na bua kuro mo nyina mo babua na mo muwa mo fa homa mo yem na mo ni botri wachi na mo ni kwasia ya piafo yo ya tum su kwasia apia ni papa ni biara a o beto ababone yo oya sika kunu ba wiem kunu no me yantu abane jase wato aba mienu abachi wa kuno weje do abo o sare no oni yo abia no amunkuno weje do abo kwase ni o panyimfu a wo mo won kran wo mo strong room a mo di side man resource wa ababa na wan fa resource no ama ko bi bu akro no ye na adwin se wo dan resource no na na bachura kuno ya ka busia dase na bachura kuno resource bia e friend this mbaba ayen kunimdie no bi ba na adwin se o be dia no atwanya ma bachura pa munku omo obo ba so mo dane a munku omo so se a wo safi mamu nyina mama mu timu nane enya duma wadawruma ani pa dane wo ya duma a wo kwakoto aba ni atete baba pepese amane no ma di ahihye mo nsa ho no mo so mo kwakwa yi ade ato baba boss mu no na bachura kuno kwakro no kuno ya be dane wo ya chi a be dane no na di so be ma chi so kwakwa dane no enya duma kuno enane ya di password ya to so o ma hunu ya ma wo timu nane head teachers Sunday school head teachers ministers wo so ajisika sefra no kwankwato aba no wa no mo kukuro antoa janso muase nane no bachirwa antoa ma nane munku amoma ya janso nyina ka ho bi na yadawruma ya frewa muni juma ya di ma ya mu manku nimdie mra enya juma na wachi fuma nkwan entimi me kwa so wachi ayam futuro na yentimu mfa so yadaba contractor na juma biara ntimi nko so na ya bere na NDC mra na yentimu mama ye kunu bachirwa yadawase be ma didi wi a wa wi nam enu ti wudwan pa atu adua na yade ma nso na no wudwan pa atu adua so na mi no krep na no yenu ufo na no mo ko mbe ja mo
Ketua no why?
Ketua no ni o.
Na ba chura da mo. Cha.
Na ba chura wa da ruma.
Bema bi odi do we nam. Mu wi nam. Mu so ka
Na
ho.
so. Ba chura mutani. Na so bi.
Ejimuti
Ya damase.
Ciao. Nana subi ani so ni anu nyina keka ho. Famo gai, fakoma bia bi. Sasa odu adre mu afane dem no wonne kwa chichiri oda no. Sasa ni nia. Ni na. Ane gwa mama, ene oba be badi akọ bie. Obi badi pa akọ bia. Ye ni na bro. Sasa nana subi, fanso fa na mi fa koma time. Time for man koma naja. No va trata gana final nya. So be hema unia, amuna yiyama. Eti sawa. Ciao. Ezo be tuma ye judi. Atana ya wuye. Basa virusi ka tutana mai.
Yaba ucha.
Kama. Pa.
Kama.
Pa kama pa.
Afuasumi. Sasa nyawo kwa na odidie. Ode kwa matan. Tadi akwa munyina moja. Ye be kwa bule kwa nyamransam. Aw majo mama ko kan bia no. Adira wona mni o. So be ma yeyu Obama sawa. Soko. Minizori be kwa soso. Ye na nanu bomudi. Asana ya wo ye. Eso be to mo. Atwa unya ka ho. Gana fananyina. Sasa nso adira. Olo dinna babia. Ubeye. Babaya wana buroso. Ye Judy.
Na no adawo no ya wie o. Mutani mo fa kwa dodo. Babi obi afi dia mo fa ya nko. Na batuo ya ya batui. Nkunimdi emra. Se de ye ka no. Mati enim se mo baye. Nipa bi obaji adamudie. Na obehunahuna we police ni hunahuna wo biara. Wokofi awu na wo yire no mu. Ya de wabusua no edase. Na obi so ntew san
Busiefo.
De na no monye. Adwuma ya ka se munima ya no. We are NDC executive from national to region, municipal, district. Na akwaje adamudie bia. Wu headmasters samuji sika adamudie epiepia nkra show mo se chinchira mo nkoto abafa.
Ele commission ba na wo ha no. Oso sika bia.
Ade mo yire mo kunu ya das ni mabusu.
Kunu. Ele commission ba na wo ha no. Ye ginidi so betuma ye ba ye nim. Wo no ni so nim so betuma ya. Bon tente onya gi ya ofori ba no. Mani nya duma wanya wo mena nya duma ye nyi uni.
Se wo ahwe video ye mu nsem wo ekwan na kire se election year ya na say voting nkrofa fa ne personal nkasa sisi ya na ekeka kwole de ye hu pa na wo hwe ne ekoso wo ye video yi ma di abone de ase the whole Ghana na ya bo obi eji ana muma ye nhwe Ghana ha si ekoso tu ana mo se ya Ghana ni ye wadachi esan say foreign countries yenti say ye election year mu no ye kwafuku bi omo support party bitimi sorry kenyo omo so mo Burundia na denti Ghana fo bebre ni abrekra apia stadium wono so kopie mu wo ye NDC ni o support NDC kopie mu wo cemetery wono so di ndia bone enchantment bi ko so na o Kenya ne mami awewu say woman samanfo nyina so sorry embra beto abetiefo wo hwe yi nsem ne ni bebi edane kono enu ntino amama to minisa afa ye osofo Richard Obri ebo awoda covenant prayer chapel ano so be ka me ho na nie etiefo ye ntwe nsem ne abasa ne srani hu ne Thomas bre wo fa mo ni di echi Asafo, me wa kwaba.
Me you so no mercy.
Asafo, assembly dey abon me posa.
So we show video no kra ntiase.
Na wo hwese ne a esi ko. Anka election die. Dudu na say omo puta ya mo di te chiri sanka. Nyame nya adom na yenyi eye pedi papa bi a che so beboa wo man. Na hwese ne nyoma keka kona. Na ka 4 days pe na election so a. Asafo, adwen chire was eduabo ehu anything.
Timasi me da sibium e wa kwanya a odi ama me too much fidie isu edika da director ase na ya che na bia obia na the twato na nkonsem so na ye cameraman bia etina fidie isu a e say me chia no na me boniti team ba ko pe Jamaica na me chia no badumade pa.
Amen.
Let me go switch out. I'm trying to see your consent so dia. Eduabo eya dia. Ni titiru eya dia. Ya hunu wo video yi emu. Ya brafo. Mantam. Se ohene a oda oman no ano no. Se o hwe video ya ye ne kasa se on sorry na ne manfo no a yes ade no ono mo enkasa we dia em se omo anim omo fasisi na aba nte ye be so easy se ohene no ebetimi ahunu nkofo a omo kodi sa adwuma because one adim guase bra hafo region no as a whole nti edenim gwase nso brasa region na de dekan gwase a edikan na ekoma ohene no a one ne da ekuru no ano ansa na se obi mpo free region ono mu mpa ono nso salim gwase ni bi akwa yede akwa manifest omu nyina nso efri sa region no ana sa mantam bi ya hobi ahono enti ohene no ensori na onye bibi nye de emfa ho na afa yenhwe video no enome no biaba no as a whole no eya dia enya de papa kra eni kwan se Ghana man esoso saa niema wo ya saa mrantu wa yi aye e wo bono eman ni mu eno no nti se bibi ohono mo a ye betimi afra saa mrantu wa yi na ombeba na omabeyi omo ho ano omaba be ka bibi akere ansa na election mpo adura nka nipa bi ni mu a ewo oman ni mu no a eka bi a ewo mu no nka omo emomode se ombeka bi na ansa na election no kra no ebedura efise abato efiti 92 ani ato aba a nyame ya dom a Monday ay 70 di enemy December di enemy yes also ekokoto de ya aba election in Ghana it has never been free and fair from 92 ABC 2016 I work on 2020. Election has never been fair in Ghana here. Not even in Ghana alone.
So where they baby America
Donald Trump he said the court.
Egusu wa court
Can you? Until no person just anka Biden the supporters and the teacher for no. Almost so enkobodua na. No see, say o hwanye ma bi say ya. Awo ya bibiri mu ha no. Awa Ghana hanoma na nsa eduabo no eya doso dodo obia na obodua na nsa mu ho se omo se Asante region eho ba bi supporters ne se campaign promises say party no his excellence na do danko Akufo-Addo promise wo no up to now omo anya nhunu the fulfillment of that promises nti omo so ekogina ensuo bi ho se omo so ebodua so wo sha enya brafo mantami mu mabununko ana afa aboa na wafa snap na wakogina ensuo ho se omo de invoke cases it has been going on and we dey abase sa brafo mantamfo eduabo yire de directed to abato se every municipal assembly bia
district
chess
school for emu teachers emu isi chess obi bia wo de wo beji sika wo sabe so sika mu nko anse who manipulate obi ananse who ma obi akoto eti INDC nko ano na enie wo nkwa de edansa ye wu
so now my someone said in 1992 if the election wasn't free and fair na oma modua adan nenne ye bodua on enti san ni yeyi atamasi ni yeyi a obusa me ho asemi ade me tena fidie yi so kasamfoni ni so ewiase afa na nyina ehweye na Ghana fo ehweye sabili and said bra for mantem for mrantewa mabunu bi a bobo ho a eko sansu na no ekobo odua bo atwam nti ebeya a omunnu omo ho no meka bibi ansana election no aye adu wan hwe yimpo a wei na omo eyen ebema ahye Ghana fo bufu ama party kro no mpo na omo pese nka party no emra power no wan hwe ya they will lose massively.
You na also for tio eye ahometi chese video no duaboni mu ya hye emu api na ase dia so mi na pese mi busa se din e be ma supporter bi kra panyi yi se wodi kra hu nya na nim na ho hu na omuti omu V8 mu kra boy bi kra hu hia ne penje da o kana sem keke na omuti mi ye mi etimi podia se dey na push won dey kra Emma etumi push your mom mutimi etu sana mo we kan sem edi Ghana ehia nkwaso
Say okay kind the book of Colossians chapter number 3 verse 12 no eba no a na obedu 16 no a we say let every word that comes out of your mouth should be peaceful. No election way ye kotu ye ho ana abaya ye koi ye kotu babia o man na kodu no ye hia sa asomdwie ebeba na se obi ebe gina abato ye kotu so na on ye ketia ne ke se ni party anwini obi make any attempt sa obi hwia mu a ensuo enkunu a ade ba ko pe na ka kire ade ba ko a e ka kire oman no enyina no ene se na ade a esa sa amanto anu kutupa enti a omubodua bo ne se one onua do elio antimasi enti se obecham se udo onua lesson aba ye koto a nya wo papa bi na wo koto aba na na adwuma koto aba no odo ko promote koto aba mo bi papa adwuma ama na beye aba nya mimpo amamu a ye to aba no na wiase ekima sa constituency one mo no mo ko je ko bodua e bi kra ba bi a mo fa ye a mo di ko nso no ebesi na e bi asa kwa no e futu kwan e bi aka bi amfa ho e bi a ko gina ohompo enne sa okoya ko mpo nyi so afudua na use o pesa sa party ni mra power sa pani ni mra power na obawi a na sa nyama o nya nyina wantimi ama na ya ama wa fa so ba e na woduabo no a okobo e de ya eso nti wenu mrantie no mo yesa na ade ba ko aso mu kutupa no se one nyame asem ntu mu two onuado anya de a eye adwuma e wo sa mrantie ne de ya akomo mu because Bible no say mama onuado entna yakomo mu richly. Let the word of God dwell in us richly. Now, Namiasam no, and a day on we are done the ever because on Namiasam ever trying, send the Yensi and a boy on one day. You see, but the Dominia, make Casaminia way, I call Riam, I'm away until you go Bonitia. And the other footage no Caribbean Sana, the MPM or election there. However, young son can send the Caribbean Pimuti, or Mokosina and Domede. No, there should be a proper way. You better be there to a month for said. Why we go election? Show me the show up one day. Uko Bodia, no so be Umiamu. A Diana so be Umiamu, and I'll Bodiam Poa. Some party. Obi ko wia party member bi and obi ko wia leader bi enti no body aso na be betimi adita nkofo no and betimi a scare obi a no anya de so aim a kire se ojaya na je so party na dey
My short of words.
Yeah.
Otofo. Wo share say ne ye mbrantiwa. Mbrantiwa yitimi etu san na mo we. Ebunjia ene ndua ne de nye eye bro afufo. Just the whole Ghana. Na prof Odif Elsofo. Show Shesani yewe yomaye. Na eye appear stadium. Onu so kwat na cemetery. Na wono so ye enchantment go ne ma me ni wunda so. Se won Kenya ye ewufuo ni na ni ombe votu na che se NDC win fama no. Enu Amazon afo bebeje o ma dwen kire se. Impendifo eye NDC impendifo no. Efutu oben no mo de mo subordinates. One mo de man nkrofo a omochi taifo. Nkrofo a omo sorry say you support NDC. Efutu kasa ben e na omo ne wo mo kasa wo kukuo mu a wo mutimi tu anamo ebe ye niye we say kire wiase afane nyina.
Well, just me da se bepre. On say party no ho. Ye wo party ni nkrabata bebre e wo. Now, I think, sir, presidential candidate, the former president, John Dramani Mahama, minyin nisa obetimi atum krofo for say nkofo nkobodia because ono ankasa no we Assemblies of God member eti minim say eduabode nya de a ono ankasa ni ono ankasa se ne suni ne ba esitie no minyin nisa ono ebetimi ashe ne supporters no kutupa sa omunko nkobodua if omu dictate and omu fane out say election a ekoso no abana ekoso abana yeto no enyamu bi ede eba menini sa ana omumpo modua no proud to the election I don't menini sa na muno because of say your party no branches ana nkrabata bebre no enti no no betimi akasa nkrabata ni bi ho no a leader bi ho a ono sa nyama we no aye no hobby eduabo no hobby eduabo odidi ene wada odiduabo sha odiduabo ye bibia enti shani pa no so easy say obetimi aka bibi akira ne manfo say this is the only way I also betimi ede efa so minyi so say enipa ni nyina so betimi ede ayesa ne nkofo bu hono mo so a say o ma nya afutu pa sa ne ma we o betimi ede aye
enu na Ghana fo wo ha say leaders wo eye mantem say na yesi kano no any one president who you say information there travel papa say who say information travel to all your members and did say a bedroom na enu na Ghana for ni bi sha say then like to say be a meetings e koso obu penny no aya members of this obu penny no ankasa former president John Dramani Mahama one in the chi taifo one within the chi direct then na one omo kan na one so ni nkofukuo na chairmans no mo and pantem then no mo kan futu obe na the way say no mo di members omutimi Kenya omo ho etumi act anyhow eno no mo free say bia enye ex-president na ebia wo kase wo monye but ebia kwan bi so esa kwodi tu omfo ana say wadi show with him from the beginning like foundation say bia me party members say mu ko this way say mu use to buy way there so you I don't know amafo so say party no and this no mo lack that kind of courtesy no
okay right betinya no kre e wo kwan ba bi dia ya eso na so antimasi on say mpanimfo bubu bi say yafunu boni onim se masa nintino ebia party di dan betimi atum kwara adofo pa so akwara bi wonu ma wo ye stop na to the tumpampenso bi say do be catch no ono ontie do no simi bi say obeye no eno an obeye de eno an obeye eninti esu ani baya a sankrofo ni bi o adapt ya o modin say o mo di otu omufu no be ya no be de no be now fine so ente sa so ade a ene na atwase afutuo bi afiri mpanimfo no hono so ye de eba if the Mpanimfo NDC members Mpanimfo is not giving this advice to purchase some of these branches, you know, na se omo so ate ahubi na fe the sign am we e koso dia ene omo ensori na omo nsa hye omo tu omo atutafo ne dia ya afo because we ayenim guasia ama party no ayenim guasia ama NDC ayenim guasia ama opani no a oda party dia ya ano enti se afutu bi anko grounds afutu bi antimi enwura ba bi a ene sabre ya ehwe video yi sipa Mpanimfo no mo video yi so mo fanche se no ade we yehun man this is amfisa ne ma we mu a ene ye dia sotwe ene ba ye de ene e bebere mu nti mpanimfo no sha se omutu nkwane de ya o carry this information out there
na we dey nye too late here o se bi abono ma bo ewie o mo twa ya aboa ne dia dase o mo sra ka to aso se obi biara a che se obetu sa na mo wu na wu bi ansa ya o family crampon so no ye form na nya ntuso e fanda so mo nyina ase ye nhye na wo de ma ye nhye wo nsa wo buta ya wo mo de boss e dua bo we se ne be ya election e be free and fair na afen so eye NDC aban no e be nya eye presidential seat na faso e di so na ye nhye se wo mo buta ya e mo de be gina wo podua no Usha ebe bua eye NDC aban ni mu ana efiansa ebe tanishe eye NDC image omubutaye no ebebe
Just we onim se ma me fan free appear stadium mu e de yi embra hwe ono ko gina o ma me a wowu na de ya eso bebo very good hwe onipa na nkasa ko gina enna no so ono wowu
oh onipa de we
appear stadium. Oh, my no good enough. So, mommy, is she alive?
Well,
no one is there.
I don't say, mamma, no, say, mamma, we are no, penitential so go to be chess or no so, and yes, I already so be but on chain and mechanical.
Be obey attempt to set obey election. No, I'm summer and channel find it.
MP, one
now, only panel or young or what young who. Nipa ne tiase no ankasa no wontimi anya hwe na sabre wo eto ne mo na asem kwanya de ntum however sa die we a okwase busa abeni nsunsan so e wo so ye ho omo busa omenya omo botaye no
se omo botaye ne san ko omo koye se emfa fie ento ayet memufo so wa o pese ye tua wo ka wa o pese wo wie mo chese stop it Send ye be free and fair na NDC abefa eya akonya no se omo free se bia omo se mo kan se MPP for be wiem enti wiem na no mo boato sa obi bia obeye victim of wiem na no na make se omo botai omo di poje se na be ya free and fair mpo no be mo abedi akonya oman so no omo ni ye we mo be ma abem ana se no mo be say bibia kra
and ye we amwa ema momfa election mpo eniso and ye we amwa mpo amunwini oh se obi mpo awo akomapa bi obi awo jansedie bi se da bi ebeka even seconds to even to the election mpo na matoma ba ma NDC abi ko hwesa video ya metwa mentwa ba ma mo because mentwa ba ma onipa a na teacherfo epeduabo na me batuma ba ade ama nipa na teacherfo peduabo na ombedi ade wie na se me nan ana me kotia won na so kakra bi a ade na ombeye me obi a opetumi no suba obeda na dini o wan fa obrase ama amfa ne nsa ameto ne nsa yem ambe ka se onde asomdwe no ope ti anto abanye de ema no na memu watimi afa snap afa odwan fita otuadua ani nkosua ade akopra hafo ensuano subi anytime ano se omo friend so we nyina ade imboku cases aboga na manfo dua se obi nim na owia election ni mu a ensuo ni mfa no now we be su ani ni yewi se yanto abanya de ema na ye to abama wi a ade na be Panimfo so onimu na onimu owu a no ahwe na so ahu Nti suba we die boama NDC party na nkasa animguase ayede aka ho boa ama wuri ne wontwi confusion kashia pa ana beto party nta because ebese ya omo expose party no mutimi ye omo ma the public na ahuni ne NDC party betimi aye omo ma tia se NDC party de aye party a aye duabo party NDC party aye party a omo de omo en consider say ye de ano ba de ebe kasa de ase de ya oman no omo di we aka bibi ase say NDC party ni aye party a we ya omo timi konipa
the violent will take it by
the violent will take it by force. So I just said that is what Nkrofo I won't bring for my must say o ma ba kai de actually so omo de all that be die we dia bro because of say ye petumi abetana o ma ne dia ya eso ntiam fa duabo na o petumi a o be say o party ba power duabo enye duabo eye kasada elections are based on campaign promises. Oh, who could that platform so we do manifesto and I cast over be see. And so them say why do my pa if you about the title any day. But you see, say we ye ya nko ni wan ye oni mu ante. Bible na kan so we ye ya nko ni me ye oni mu tie. And me feel say duabo ya mo do so suwa. Omo di osuro pa na e beto Ghana timamufo de ya eso every say. And no me ati asese omo di duma papa bia. I'm a Ghana for your trouble because you have trouble onipa or you violent. So maybe a man there, so not the far of mining in India could be a woman that could be a new. In Tisani, yeah, man for ye, oh, bravo, I'm a defeated here, a NDC for the a chafa.
Not just almost say
a son no cry. Oh, Mama John Domani, Mahama, the Jumo no, the Juma Power Yanke, Pimpa, and Kakami Monday, you can go for Bachaso, Atuabano. Oh, Mama said, Money na Ayaka, because of Said Diaboya Made. Oh, remember, 2012. Oh, sir, you're trouble, a Casabon, a half a man, Sa kind constituency. You accents in the air. Abra MPP forecast so monko ye hunu ne ya NDC for etumi ka eye omutimi kwato saba na omutimi ye de omutimi fa enti saba for mantam no mabru na wo no they are noted for violence. Oh yes ye hunu sedu nkatia mo ye hunu mpanimfo bi amodo mo fi se na tutu asame de eye wonde omutimi ka won even po MPP for am dey so mo de ja ade ni mo bokwa mo no still putu up a behavior bia sa behavior ne ka kire omutimamufo ne sha no bravo mantamufo magunu no ankasa there's a question mark on that when it comes to NDC party no nti ni omasan so ayi it just so we are very careful because almost second of 4 days before because this is reminding us from 2012 near my day see bra no bia person certain constituency on comedy but yes some because of omupe to me go all mass etimi ko ho no no be so me e je saba na e so mu there ya so now these people from the same constituency as aba ebodua presi cases for some of no they are desperate for power now power no be desperate for no person ko any angry bia say na be wetin na dey renew power na o ko angry to win power and it just bodua o be kuya you na trouble now
dudu na susu say we die baby edu no eye asofo a wo oman mu ensori ngina na wo mu fa mpa ye ntan ga na chi na nyame ankasa nsi ne yesan say we die o mu susu say eye demons ena ye eduabo ya nkofo iboye o mo invoke dia abe tu oman ga na yiso
no correct I say sorry na ye bom pai hwe ade bia Bible kasetia e won sunsaso ntia
ti duabo we sunsaso wo so pa
duabo
ni amanfo dudu na susu no
yes duabo won sunsaso ntimesi sa duabo yi o ma boy o say hwe o mbo duabo ni ye no o ma nya ne sa o mo sanso di odan fita adase titimire mu no ko ba for de na pese wa for de bodu nyankopon ni mu ntam a uya o make a sacrifice no na me demand this moa no moa muja Send a bear out or sack umpire or request Sibia. Would you call a social Nankopon as a fool? I bet you do Nankopon media enter. Joel, Ombo, Danny, a good petition, the good snap on it, Bonko Shabba from your daddy, no more. Nobody would join Fitas higher day, head to us, as I said. O my pie over ye. O my pie, my back on an anonymous and follow my bosom on which I said, O my father, any day I enter. Now, the team, and they have every right, set on the fulfillment of their curses. So therefore, a suffer was a original. One hour, no son, concon, I won't so I was a solid original. No, your mom pie, no, young cast aside the money they are out. Now, their vision won't be achieved concerning the election. Their vision will not be achieved concerning the election because all towards the election. And if you are already in Nashua, because my country from 92 never in election, you are the Eba, Yamo be a Bobian Bobio. What I say, until Sadia, one of my body to election was here, and then Juma, and indeed, upon some crop, soon crop, demons who cry out, on boss, some pie, ye is a pie and by a fool, by a tantai, etc. Oh, Nasu. The spirits in the atmosphere. Demons. Pemoja.
Because I had election their campaign room, even that day cry a vote to Obi to meet your vote to say, just a yet day, Obi back China drink. Now you bought to gun and bring the last so easy for so teachers and pastors a crown show you a mokramo count.
Pastors here, they reverse these things. In fact, not even only pastors.
And no thing again for someone sorry.
Yes, we are reversing the curses which they have invoked upon the nation Ghana to go back to whoever that was in that meeting at that time. Sir, and no mere omodia to my insui. Onami manin kwa ma omo eso. Onum say election betuwe. Abaya betuwe antimasi. Onum say you recounted number of accidents.
And also I said na be kan wa hai.
Because the baby are cautious. Sacrifices are going on. Some altars are demanding blood. Oh yes. At the end of they have erected or they have raised what you call altar.
Serious.
Oh, only say the book of 2 Kings chapter 13. Only say there was an altar, and that altar was crying for people's blood and for human body. Obi the raises that altar. Obi the erected that altar. The ayampa sa altar no. Omo erected sa altar no. Altar no demanded the body and the blood of a man of God. A man of God was arrested and he was killed on that altar.
What?
Yeah. Because some people placed that altar and they did invocations on the altar and they said that this altar, somebody's life must be sacrificed on that altar. Aya bro, aya yare, aya wo elimguase. Enti enya me nwanwa say accident ahodo asisi ka emumuni to nyina no. Nkofu bi na e de altar si bia ye de ahyehefo. Nkofu bi e demand blood bi. Enti de omaye aya altar no ma raise.
Because me nchawa no. Ye prophecy krampo asabeto dwa. Reverend Amwako, the Church of God Adabraka. What the same betu just said. A year what that one that all night it was one I saw a party. So what we say Satan every spirit to be back for this a year election. Same bed than in your many, but a year then because in Crophobia are promising of Moja Shubu or Maimu. Tia Empire dear. One jam to walk. Tigana from Sebeya. One soon bomb pies and decan. A kind now. Send your walking and they confirming some so or the ababa to jam.
Yeah, I am crap. And not cry. But the wife echo BST Manaco laugh worship. Or you and or soften over preaching or preaching a yapen or see your mom pie Magana because when Uncle Pon a being and the Amana who said you're too amala. ten a demand the blood. Nti ya wo kan enyo.
Osofo, wo de ye nuanum bia join ni wa ha ma menka eye wo madwen kire enfa entudwa. Eye the true GH or say NDC. The true GH in Swasaba or say it's only NDC people who do this. Francis Okansi, I am watching live from Italy. Francis Okansi, what is happening in Ghana? Oh God, come to our aid. Glossy, or say God will reverse it to them. Glossy, Asaba, where is Ghana going if things get on like this? Glossy, Asaba, NDC will never win. And I Evans or say this is stupidity. This happened only in Ghana. Yabua Evans and so as a commented or say they will lose forever. Forget them or say NDC people are totally villagers. Francis Okansi so say they can even kill elephants for the rivers. They will still not vote for them. 4 more for Nana. Asafo. Ushian crofo way, obi bia dwen kira wo kira. Aso mu nina wo support no. Ekoma eye MPP, ebi mu nsem wo kan se NDC fo na be we, ebi mu nso se NDC fo ye 77 in crasefo NDC se na ebisi di kan se eye ade we ya wo maye no. It will be of more good than harm to them, and more harm than good to the party as a whole.
Timothy, sir, she knew da wa your monchen. Oh, boom, dear. Akumi. Let me want the better banana. To sign your money with you, a dinsun so bonny park, a sickasy. And every room. So no, 37.7%. Now it has reduced to 21%. And the election year, they will lose massively because of the attitude of their supporters. And this initiative, also Ghana, yes, and then you should be about so. That was the primitive way, and that now we are in a civilized. People. Everybody now is civilized. Everybody now is shady. Now you shady, and also with the diabo. Actually, when you go here, why on earth? Oh, nipa kube, or man be, and the bema was sa konya senko for mumunutia. Umudi yesu. The diabo yem konfwa, and nyama chicham. You can send a oh, person becomes someone you diabo. There are so many ways of killing the cat. You channel and you sell your promises very well. And people will buy it. And they're violent. And they're diabo. The diabo, the other say, and then diabo, they want the budia. And then I'm trying to come away.
Now, every musu, the money chipping in. Every mu come myself say, send ye diabo the quasso. Now, one more kick tricks I did be a banding mono. Obeka, experience is the best teacher. Every musu to say, one more, I just say, one be a bim. Ain't no more tricks to say ufa ha, say we fa yes say ya, and ye owu, we fa na say, police for interfere ne owu, say as a woman point from go so a year MPP for me to me afa, and the evia banning na Ghana for any because there be say no more point so tricks are a war a year election day no tricks a to me no. That means someone kasano and a woman via a benin. Now come on the salmon so dear. Yet they are via my diabono, a bed than your homes, and also what Jim would say.
And my son, you say, a diabo way on. Say, a diabo in Nassau, and the Juma. 1. 2. Say, Upadia. Now, war sounds so. And the year I was just will be yet. No. Say, why not careful? Now, wow, yes, I'm the year now. Sad diabono, a timid danny about so. Bible said, you're trying, a moon wash it. na die odwiri eban no o se wo ebeka no o to eboa abodan a esaba wa wo de ya
wa so
what you say so therefore se omonso nim na omonso ko wiamu a ene omon ka wo se ombo dua no se wa be wiamu we teacher ni na wo wiamu a wo yere wo ma wo je message something na omo de dase nsu ani mfa ana omo ka de omo ka ya kura ya no se ne se eduabo no omo de password atoso Gabinim sanka computer no nya de phones na de password atoso na minim se na brafo 10 fo a gabinim se eduabo ye ba ye de password atoso
omo wa le betumi asai da
omo nko a omo
ne kura se no sika ne ka se nya me kura to be nda
etimi na di se omo de password atoso a ene so omo pomo timi na ne o nti omo so nhye ye na omo so omo anwiem because omo nwiem se password no entimi reverse entimi na ne nti omo na be de omo bi nti omo nhye ya nsu nsu so ne ebeko
na no kura se de we ngbo tricks a e betumi de wi akwan ye de be wi aban ni mu that means omo be experience just omo wi a previous one no mo wi apan no na Ghana for susu se esi
antimasi bi tia mi ni evidence bi a je so omo so omo wiem ba ye tete oh no ye tete pa ye tete
wọ́n say Ghana for su ni mo Ghana for su ni mo say ye NDC for wọ́n mu bia abeni ba senior ye omochi taifo di duabo ibetu dwa na wọ́n mu point out the way ya obetimi di ewia say obi point we no ye say ya owu say chese omo bubo point ni bi so didi say omo mu share video ni de wọ́n mu teye na no bi eja na comment say senior omo akasa etumi akeka tricks e wo that day you voting ni wono that means omo akasa na ya jumedi bi a wo mu didi da
and omo to abache eninti omo nim the technicalities are a govern about obia eninti no bitimi kasa because of say omo much experience about animal nti and omo pass why dey awia but omo wia omo anim omo nwia so omo na dey omo anim but the mechanism omo nhye ye na duabon a omo ade abon za duabon ananye ane de anko omo de ya anko omo so nti say dey omo highlight on certain places omo pinpoint on certain key ayi bi so no say sa omo so make an attempt to do dia and omo nhye ye because duabon omo no de password atoso no atete ho etwa omo so mo say etwa omo Ghana
etwa omo pa wo
etwa omo because election we there some people renew and this renew obi aduabo ntimi nya obi ahwe nti omo bo dua no omo ntwan omo anya careful duabo ne be call man kasa nkasa omo so nya nne and ye be to aba nya wiamu de e koso bibia
school ni be ka se me ye bo mi dia kra boarding house etiti ni uniform
kano titu me man omo uniform omo wura abana ni kano eto na ye de na tete ti se be ka ni pa wia de nya de be kano
also for it. Undi ni say duabo we say Ghana for ye fa ni serious say na ye see kan say school ni be ka say na tell you the better no esa say we dey asa ma cut to the extreme
yeah correct na maka no me say yeah funny say ni ye funny say oh ohene wo man e wo sa mantam ohene wo what you say I think I remember do also I think the second also yeah oho otie ye na ye kan na we de ohwe bi wo sa papa no on sorry but I have for mine ohene a oda wo mine no on sorry
no ye bi
onye bi amount a video enti oni wo nyina ni oni wo omo sa se bodua camera odi video ye sa se video mpokuta camera di kosi wo so sa adinti enen konfo bi edi nyamra sem se no na wo de camera kosi wo so na for wia akwana no o se batakali fugu no on ye ni nkamfa because on saka sane de ya ase nsa na de o tia nsu no di moja na ko yin nsu no nyina no o mu na kan sam no o mu na mfre wo na nani ntimi nkasa wo hu o mani na won tse o se sabre de dua bode enya adwuma biem o bodua o do ma ne nkan ko kwachiri
no correct
Ghana ya catch you never be blame this these political parties here are to abamo so me go men so mpa omo timi mpo am for the promises mpo omo ye dey omo dey ma omo Ghana enti omo na mo kasa ye bere enti se dey ana mo sam so invoke spirits ni mu duabo invoke spirits asabo omo na omo na retarded in terms of progress. They are retarding the progress of nation Ghana. Papa Bika said this religion is retarding the nation Ghana. It's bringing retrogression. It is religion and among of lazy. No. Some of these behavior are where they put it out. Who sad there than religion? About phone and command invocations, curses, incantations, enchantment, divinations, sorceries, practices, occultism, a shiny man tentem, a same religion. Oh, and after the election, you plan to election about 4 days to election. After the body, a money, Andra, me free Amasama Eba, Sapima. Na Zulai on Kaka, patent, money adult, Edaka.
Accident, Lydia. See, I see, and MP fool. When you're away and wine, then you're mere but our before Sia.
Nina in the name of power. Power, I paint you. Obi pasaka and the king, Obi Diade. To almost percent a moja and shim because he did not end the end now. But you all know be quite a catch and said before betting my baby again, and this old shimo died. Oh, and then accidents, how do I cost you now? And your car. And then Sanamo when I come here, you show me here. No man, tell a woman, one damn word you might have to my Juma. I didn't pay that no and Cosabra or my gun. Oh, yeah, what you should have moved.
Babentu abinia yenya no mama dwane ya che na ese ma dwen kire no menkan momuti no ebi edwa mame fantu dwa Augustina answer say I hope their leader is watching and what is he doing about it? Is this what they want the future leaders to learn? Ghana, when will we change? And also Pacha say or did he say ex-president John Dramani Mahama was sharing some downstream the day na what you found. If says and ye with the remember no more banner, then no mubesia a dear free mo. Na who's to say ya baby came in Bruno, Sandy ye with bets many answers was so Bruno Swana.
Yes, Papa, especially say Unipano or Martin and Coupon, I see ya. Oh, now who said yes, you do because only and then the edge only society number 2. And then I already own at all the time. You know, who said, ye twin powerful, who said, ye cancer, pap, who said, ye church in pap and you my papa, and then my brother, who said, will be out there now, person retaliate a diabo. And definitely only Panama or no bed, the Babishna. Because the only kind, the only attention, the only kind there, Nanti, and you got one more. Oh, soon so funny, oh, Chima, Asher, and all my failure, yeah, so, and if you certainly leader, no, is the former president, Excellency Mahama, when the other would ya, BB, or inculcated behavior be, I walk, the man for no, the tita for the day, say, hey, the Samo, you can do everything, but when a primitive life, a trap is a cake. It is that and what and gone. It should be a turn of the past. Any concern, you're motivated, any concern, you encourage it. Because we say, yeah, in Chimano, Eba, and Quada Eba, Mayo Eba, Mobuna, the Eba, almost obey the Ebusia. And do maybe let Jabo cost from my Ghana.
Now, say, I say, they are born alive. What to 1 year ago, near the ascendo. 1 young shame so swat. Nay, they say, they are Jaboni, they are false. Our Ghana, and I never can me basso say. Then I must say Ghana. Diabo aye idea ye pesi ye di. Social media say dear Diabono or so for. Uti we met me a bow. Say see na media send those say Jennifer. Then I Kenya sa a yen way.
I'm sure our phone. Also, make us especially so you put in my
okay.
Enti adikudie ntia ne biabona koso bebre no eye nyamsuro a eni hontia ye kwasori no but ye kotie nkyerɛkyerɛ ye mfa nkyerɛkyerɛ ne kotie ye no anya dwuma baabo maka kyerɛ se mama ma ye nya asɛmitiefo refifo na ɛna adaade mama ye nya asɛmitiefo de ya erefo so atiase obu a otiasɛm na orisu asɛm mu asɛm se ayamero odhwa na nimu a opie pa ne wura fi se ohwahwehwɛ de ya emu Oh, Sunday na nyasem na de ti. Obi na kwa so de no kote Nyankopon asem sepe. Ona fura so de mo no kwa market. Okofie, okwadum sepe. De osofo ne ka o so de mo sa da ni nyina no. Ayekwa. So no, ni ti se nyame so ni wo ho a antimasi. Adin say washama if you are filled and full, if you are filled and full with the Holy Spirit, if you are filled and full with the Holy Spirit and with the Word of God, it is very, very difficult that you place a curse on what? On your brother. I will say that shall not curse. But surely we should what? We should bless with our mouth. This mouth has been given to us for us to what? To bless what? Bless people. So therefore, if you see any opposite direction, the person like the word of God. Oh, on a brother, onipa we enough to pa onyasam benfo bi omunso nim nyame asem. And so then tenase no omo good counsel. Senya beya suban bi ekoso e man sa suban no amanfo ne be desist ayede afri mu on be stew na ombomu se no suban wo yehu ayade time ayade ayafo ne suban pa suban tantai suban bon nti obi aga na timamuni bia enu fri sa suban wo de ya emu because the man conquer essence ya essence never so ni what ya
as for senya wo counsel senya misro akofom ya misro ni nipa mu no ene aso for mu adwumaye
adwuma de obi ya pa
ene aso for madeda
hwe unsa na nsan
ene madeda because e si adie ase diabona doso ya misro eni wo aso bia pressure diabo ena say o chia say Ghana ha che say violence ni dos na che aso for am se si am wo ye mre sui ase wujumedie na ye one side
say na kan be ka bibi na ba say nka ye wo election time ni awie mu nhyeda enye no nka we have to see peace messages on the social media platform. So for no maybe television stations. This is the time of I also come to our channel no preaching about peace. But and what do you see? Come say ye to man on social media. President we be who? MP we be who? I can't 4 days to election. People are still releasing income share about who will win.
Instead of
peaceful messages. Oh, they can't say to me before say battle. It is to win or to lose.
No one
wants to say battle na yebeto. Day ya obako na be dey. Ebedi nkuni. Say yakeka sanse bo ya ma sanse mo do the grassroots. Meaning say nke nipa bobodua. Enti adwuma na ebi ye bi nso nye. Omo mo ye no so anu nyi dwom.
Yanko eche.
Na okay television na o be kase. Asumdwe na ye hwehwe. Colossians chapter 3 verse number 16. Moma asumdwe enta makomade ya emu a. Enti abato ya yekotu. Ukoto abawi a konfie. Ukoto abawi a ema I mean presidential candidate bi. Ema aspiring member of parliament bi. Oh no. I'm not 100 Ghana. Then can just say kotam ballot box. Obaka kotam. Kotam.
Okay.
So for be jambonte kase mo ya. So for be e social media kase mo say yete ya no do ba bia na me ya do na tia no ma ya kasa say. Me dey so be hwe ya ofan sampa wo dey ya afutu sem dey ya emu. Nti nya dia obi mpa boniti mu musu mpo say okobodua, okotam ballot box, okofatuo, okofase kan aye bibia obede obefa adentia efiri hye ote dey ya ote sampa. Nti asofo ni bi ya adwuma ebi nso nye dey anya adwuma. Nti ona all platform no ano omo mmomode so betimi afasa our platform so omo timi dia kan sempa a che dey ya because mabu no se si a omo so dey abi a omo pen sempa dia dey atiti do atia no na ho ye dey mfo.
Na before me dey say ebesi kra no me pese wo kire no mie so so aboso no mie no bi you take na say ebuso ti ebi mu nim no mie na nkasa so se case no me pese wo bono to fa wo ka bibi fa wo.
Okay.
Na ye dey say na ye bono
First of all, I mean define curse. The curse it is simply defined as an empowerment to fail. Curses. Yes. Nyama nipa ama nipa edim kugu. That is curses. Curses is na insunsanso ni bi nie and say ye de na me to so a ba bia na me ka sanka kokodu abrebo mutimi nkodu no me do ni pa bra bo so a de obeye bi anyeye affect na ware affect the sick asem affect education affect the head affect the ma affect na wo affect oni pa ni kanya ni bibia di Ghana no me bebrebe a you pressing on Ghana no it is retarding the progress of the nation.
Yo, my main kind final comment na your fa AC. The true GH or say but TBH, this is very stupid pound. Augustine answered their cases won't work. Rosa will say, Rosa David will say, all this empowering demons qua. Later, when things are not working for you, you blame government. Or not to say, where you're in Nigeria, your man, where you're the government. Francis or Council, in fact, some of the NDC members are disgraced to their own party, form of another Meku. Or say, as the horses are prepared for battle, victory is from the Lord. MPP all the way. And the true GH, or say, it's turned back to them and their family. I'm not sure, say, form of another, no matter the millions of cases, still for Nana. Dear for who are meant to be archive or comment no more for and check if you say call a year also for which and flash all their final words to the mirror. I can't fall this near the election as a son.
All right, with a tear phone, say, me peace message for nation Ghana. Oh, too much television you saw on YouTube and said, Unanko ya domo I can't na another 49 near control, but never Monday near control. Mr. Bomodia sa edu Monday no obafa voted ID card na fa ukokromuti akọ kire wadwen abato anye sekantwe abato anya watimi wakame anya ntokwa anya tuo anya temdidie abato anya dwenkire ko na party a ofin se waton ni hyehyeye no aton ni ye atoso ko na koto aba e ma no miwie no Ghana fo unsa ayadaya election no ye obako pa na ba meji asarena dia obebi ni no muma nyina ya lusu nyina enkwata na chi na yamfa support ye nim dia ye bebie obia enkoboa na emu man no na awiye no it is Ghana that wins no party be any win Ghana and the dinkunimo onyankopon eya domo na se onipa bi ehwe me ana utie mi a na abesa ofa me number afutuo bi empabo bi a obetimi afa number we no afa besi so 0246 42 63 75 0246 42 63 75.
Yo, 80 for a hana bebe my quine a day, Jumedi, a sinner before me the Malubesi cry on Jumekua. One so at Mama Juliet Ventures, a Mama Juliet Ventures. One on Baba say Ukichi, find the Abomodia and a funny number. I was you have a loan master, so Emma within 24 hours. The answer government worker, I will on my mobile bomb when you're in urgent money for you, urgent project. Munia Bamesi, cow, and think it's our we soon we aha, and I'm a demo basi. Bye bye.